Hi DIY Mummies, Christina from the DIYmummy.com here today, and I am going to show you how to sew soft baby slippers. Here's what you need for this project. You need a sewing machine or a serger. You can use a sewing machine to sew the base of these. You need some fabric with a little bit of stretch. I used a knit here, but I thought it was too stretchy, so just something with a little stretch. Grippy fabric for the soles of the shoes. Some ribbon or some trim if you want to trim the shoes. Some 1/4 inch elastic cut into 4.5 inch strips. Some fabric scissors and some stick pins and safety pins. You also need this downloadable pattern from my blog, thediymummy.com, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below. And you are ready to go! First off, you need to cut your pattern pieces and lay them onto your main fabric. Now, just remember that if you're using a fabric with pattern, try to keep in mind the direction of the pattern and what you want to be shown on the tops of the toes for your slippers. Pin your pieces down, cut them out. You'll be cutting 2 of each and 4 of the toes. When you're cutting the second slipper toe, just make sure to match the fabric pattern to the first toe that you cut so that they match when the slippers are finished. Pin and cut. Now you're going to cut the soles, the bottom soles of your slippers. Here I've used a leather, which I didn't like with a knit, so I just suggest maybe something a little lighter like a suede or even that grippy dot fabric. Cut out the soles with some fabric scissors. And then you can flip them over and place the inside sole pieces on top of these so that you're ready to go for the last step. Now you're going to take the heel pieces and fold them in half vertically. And you're going to sew about a 1/2 inch from the fold to create a casing for your elastic. Now you'll just repeat that same step with the second heel. Now you're going to take your piece of 1/4 inch elastic that you've cut into 4.5 inch strip, attach a safety pin to one side, and thread it through your new elastic casing that you've created. To secure it to the ends, just stitch a little bit, about a 1/4 inch away from your raw edges of your heel fabric on each side to secure the elastic inside the casing. And repeat this step with the second heel. Next, you're going to take the toe piece of your slipper and place the trim, if you want, in the desired position on the toe piece. So here I've just used some really pretty ribbon with lace detail, and I'm placing it about halfway down my toe piece. Pin the trim to secure it. And once baby starts walking even more, you can experiment with different fabrics. So use grippier fabrics for the soles. I tried some with denim here, and that worked really well. For more tutorials, please visit the DIYmummy.com and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.